Portland Cottage, nestled on the southern tip of Jamaica, isn't a place that often comes up in everyday conversation. But beneath its calm coastline lies a vast, forgotten world, one that most people don't even realize ever existed. Long before it was called Portland Cottage, this land was known as Portland Ridge. It was home to the Taino, Jamaica's first people. They settled along the coast and near rivers like the Rio Minho, fishing, farming, and living in harmony with the land and sea. During the Spanish occupation, the area became known for its sweeping grasslands, savannahs where pigs, horses, and cattle roamed freely. The Spanish exported hides to Europe, while locals made use of the meat and tallow. Then came the British in 1655. They renamed the region Veer after the wife of a British governor and turned the plains into plantations, first cotton and indigo and eventually sugarcane. And just like that, the Veer Plain was born. But hidden just inland in the Jackson's Bay cave system lies a much older story. These caves hold the fossilized remains of extinct animals like the Jamaican caracara and a flightless ibis, making Portland Ridge one of Jamaica's richest prehistoric archives. So while Portland Cottage may seem quiet today, its soil holds echoes of Taino footsteps, Spanish hooves, British ambitions, and the bones of creatures long gone.